Hey everyone, we are now in part 3 of CNC's IELTS videos. This week we are going to focus on reading. Reading is scary for a lot of students because there are so many parts and students get scared by the amount of words on the paper. Students think they have to read and understand everything in order to pass the test. This is not a good idea because by the time you finish reading everything, the test will be over. So today, I'm going to show you some tactics and tips to finish the reading test on time by only focusing on finding the answers. When you encounter the reading test, the first thing you should do is read the questions. See which questions are easiest to answer and answer them first. How will you know which questions are easiest to answer? Look for the questions that are related to numbers and proper nouns. Why? Because numbers and proper nouns can't change. A proper noun is the name of a specific noun. For example, I am a teacher and my name is Anish. Teacher is a noun while Anish is a proper noun. Similarly, I'm in the city of Vancouver. City is a noun and Vancouver is a proper noun. Now, let's look at some questions and decide which one we should do first. Number 1, number 2, or number 3. What do you think? If you chose number 2, you are correct. This question has both a proper noun, Britain, and a number, the date 1800s. So it's good to start with this one. Question 3 has dates, but no proper nouns. I would do this question second. Okay, so now that we know we are going to start with question 2, we should scan the article for these exact ideas because we know that they can't change. Numbers are especially easy for this because they look the same on the page. Remember though, you aren't reading the article to find the answer, you are just looking for the proper nouns and the numbers. Look at the passage on the screen and see if you can find 1800s and Britain. Look for the sentence that says Britain and 1800. Did you find it? Look at the second sentence in the paragraph. It has the word Britain and the year 1833. Both of these fit into what we need, so we should read this sentence carefully. Also, reread the question if you need to. The question says, what bill was enacted to protect children from exploitation in Britain in the 1800s? We need to find the name of the bill that was enacted during this time. What is it? If you chose the Factory Act, you are correct. Congratulations. As you can see, we didn't have to read the article to find this answer, just the question. This tactic is helpful for multiple choice questions, true-false questions, yes-no questions, and fill in the blanks. Well, that's it for today. Tune in next time for tips on speaking. I'll see you later. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can find other helpful tips for the IELTS test.